पीओपीच्यो गणपतीच्यो मुर्त्यो दर्यादेगेर व्हावून आयल्या हे विशीं कागाळी आयल्यात। विसर्जना उपरांत ज्यो पीओपीच्यो मुर्त्यो दर्यादेगेर व्हावून आयल्यात त्यो एकठांय करपाचें काम गांवांतल्या जैव विविधताय समितीन दिलां। सरकार ह्या मुर्त्यांची विलेवाट लायतले अशें पर्यावरण मंत्री आलेक्स हांणी सांगलें।
I have received complaints from individuals saying that many of the Ganesh idols that were immersed were basically from plaster of Paris. I have seen photos. For example, Miramar Beach. Some of the newspapers have highlighted that idols have come back onto the shore, on the beach. So we have requested all the village biodiversity committees to collect these idols, and we will hand them over to the waste management authority, and they will dispose of these idols. But we've taken it upon ourselves to try and gather all the idols that have floated up, and we will try and clear this particular issue.